Hello friends, so in today's video we will make a Python program to calculate area of a square. So we will open a new file by pressing Ctrl plus N and write here S equals to int open bracket input open bracket inverted comma enter the length inverted commas bracket close. Next line area equals to S multiply S print bracket inverted commas area of square is inverted comma inverted comma space area. Close the bracket. Now we will save it by calculate the area of square. Now we will run it by pressing F5 key. Length equals to 5. Enter. So that as our program is running perfectly, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe my channel.